Today, we stand in awe of the remarkable contributions of Filipino workers here in the country and also abroad. I offer them our gratitude and recognition as beacons of hope, as important pillars of our country's foundation.
Mekisan metong ya, Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. king pamamiepuge, karing sablang talapagobra king selebrasyon na ning Labor Day, ngayon nga 1 ning Mayo. Kasabi na nining kayang kayawsan king Regional Wage Board da i-review ing minimum wage king karelang rehiyon. Libutad ning mimira la inflation o pamagtas presyo da ring panyalwan. Inutos na naman ing pamuntok ning bangsa king National Wages and Productivity Commission na i-review ding karelang rules.
As President, I call on the regional tripartite wage and productivity boards to initiate a timely review of the minimum wage rates in their respective regions. With due consideration to the impact of inflation, amongst others, within 60 days prior to the anniversary of their latest wage order. I call on the National Wages and Productivity Commission to review its rules to ensure that the boards are able to maintain a regular and predictable schedule of wage review, issuance, and effectivity to reduce uncertainty and enhance fairness for all stakeholders.
Samantala, kinilala na naman ng presidenteng maulagang ambag daring magobra king pamanyulong ning bangsa. Agpangkang Marcos balaos kaning suporta ning gobyerno karing talapagobra bag isubong ing patas ating dignidad at pamipante-pante karing hanggang lugar pe pagobra. Kasabi na ning 122nd year na ning Labor Day ing 50th anniversary na ning Labor Code of the Philippines na magnasang dinan proteksyon ding talapagobra. King Golden Anniversary na niti, pasibayo yung mengako ay Marcos Jr. na isubong ing karapat ng daring Filipino workers. Inutos na naman king Department of Labor and Employment o DOLE na solusyonan ning underemployment, kapamilatan daring trainings, banga upskill na ring talapagobra, base king local at international labor market demand.
We are very serious about enhancing the skills of all Filipino workers, marking them job ready for the technical and digital jobs that will be open through the investments that we have secured.
Mimyaya naman direktiba ay Marcos Jr. king Department of Migrant Workers, apasikan na ning proteksyon karing overseas Filipino workers, antimurin ing pamamya assistance karing mangailangang welfare, repatriation at reintegration services, libutad ning krisis karing aliwang bangsa. Inamuyot na neman ning Kongreso ing magpasang batas a suporta king job creation agenda ning kayang administrasyon. Mengako yan naman ng presidente at tutukan ng karapatan at kapakanan daring Pilipinong talapagobra. Ako yung kaya kayong talasuyo, Jennifer Salenga, ating pusong makabalan.